How to withdraw GMT from Trust Wallet Easy Guide. Most people get this wrong, but withdrawing GMT from Trust Wallet is easier than it seems. You won't believe how fast you can move your tokens with the right steps. First, open your Trust Wallet app and ensure you have GMT visible in your wallet. If not, add it by searching for GMT in the Add Tokens section. Next, tap on GMT and select Send. Enter the recipient address carefully. This could be an exchange wallet, another wallet, or a friend's wallet. Double check the address. Sending to the wrong address can result in permanent loss. Enter the amount of GMT you want to send. Keep in mind network fees. Trust Wallet will show an estimated fee for the transaction. For example, if using Base, the fee is usually small, but it's still important to confirm. Once confirmed, press Next and review all details. Ensure the amount, address, and fee are correct. Tap Send to complete the withdrawal. You will see a transaction net, which can be used to track the status on the Blockchain Explorer. In conclusion, withdrawing GMT from Trust Wallet involves opening your wallet, selecting GMT, entering the recipient and amount, confirming fees, and sending. With these steps, your tokens move safely and efficiently.